Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I make a business card. So let's get started. So first of all, I take this, take my name. Okay. So take logo name. Okay. So let's choose this. Okay. I make a logo as per my choice. You can use as per your choice. Okay. And slow. Okay. And this is the final logo. Okay, so it's very easy. I'll give a tutorial to this logo. Now let's get started. So first of all, I take this logo and align it with vertical align center. And this is the business card size. And this is all the icons I used in this business card. You can download it from Chrome. And now I take this line segment tool and simply select drag it with shift to make a straight line, and now increase its pt. 1 pt is enough, and now go to object menu and expand it. Now align it with vertical align center. Again, now I take this phone logo. You can now take this text tool and write number. Okay, now you can change according to your need. Now simply I take this and to click this and align it with vertical align center. Maintain the distance. Okay. No, it's too much. It's okay. It's very important to maintain the distance. Now I take this email again, attach it with your email @gmail.com. It's 10 pt, and okay. Now align it with vertical align center. It's very important to align your. Okay, now it's done. Okay, it's done. Simply create outline. Okay, and again create outline. Group it and group it. Take this location and write Karachi, Pakistan and vertical align center. Now create outline. Select 3 of and align with horizontal align left. Okay. Okay. But you need to align because alignment in the business card or anything branding is very important, and I give the tutorial on this logo. You can guys check out. Now it's done. Simply select all and vertical align set. Choose all of this, Control G, and horizontal align center or vertical align center. Now this is the guys business card I want to show you. So you may customize. I hope you guys like the video. Do share and subscribe and press the bell icon to receive important updates, and stay tuned for more exciting videos. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.